All right, let's tear this baby down. Look at all the dirt that's in here. See if I can do this one-handed without dropping my camera. Drum looks okay, not damaged. Yeehaw! I try to not be in the camera view, but it's only inevitable. So I'll probably just time lapse all this. Yeah, not so bad. A little carbony. Oh yeah, it just scrapes right off of there. I think this engine was into not too long ago. Yeah, a little bit of Scotch-Brite will clean that up nicely. All right, that is a good sign. What was that? Oh, you don't want to lose that. You don't want to lose this locating clip. Head gasket, a little carboned up. I think this head gasket's been reused. Yeah, it's been reused. Hey, you can see all the gasket material here coming off. Yeah. We got a good place to put this one. Garbage. Let's have a look here at the piston. Well, piston looks okay. Get the cylinder off of here. Jugs look okay. You could piston slap these jugs. There's a little bit of staining. A little bit of staining in there, but nothing catches your fingernail. No big grooves or nothing in there. Okay, that's good. Whew, dodged the bullet on that one. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with pulling the other one off. I'm just going to pull the other head off quick and then split the cases, and then I'm going to deal with the transmission. Alright, put you on hold there for now. And bam! Exploded. Looking pretty good in here. Gears are all looking fairly good. Bearings sound pretty good. Nothing's choppy, no crunchiness. My prize though. The prize. Split the case for this gear right here. So this gear here meshes with that big gear that I showed you there previous, which I think I just dumped them down inside of here. Where did I drop those gears? Somewhere in my... See, stay organized when you're taking stuff apart. I got bags, I've got clutch stuff, I've got cylinder heads, I got both heads, everything from the heads and the cylinders all get separated out. The cam caps got to go back as a match set. Where did I drop them gears? Anyway, somewhere in this bin. So this is my prize right here. This is the noisy gear. This guy right here. Ooh. Look at that gnarliness in that gear. Once they start getting chewed up like this, there's no coming back, and it's sharp. It's got sharp edges. That is no bueno. Yuck. You can probably hear that on my finger. Scraping my finger. Well, there we go. Interesting. Teeth are angled. Well, that don't look good. Anyway, so we got new bevel gears and new driven and drive gear. So this would be the drive gear. The other big one would be the driven gear with the bevel gear on it. So we've got these new gears coming. Now, this doesn't look like much, eh? Like, this is a pretty tiny gear. This gear is $200. So when you set gears up, like if you don't set the bevel gears up right, you're gonna end up with stuff like this. That will greatly affect the way these gears are set up. So, I suppose we'll come back when we got parts. Hopefully it's not too long, but so this video is gonna be on hold until we got parts. Until then,